Welcome everyone to my presentation. Today, I will talk about how to become an astronaut. Becoming an astronaut is a challenging but exciting goal. It requires many years of preparation, education, and training. Astronauts are highly skilled individuals who work in space to conduct experiments, repair spacecraft, and explore the universe. First, education is very important. Most astronauts have a university degree in science, technology, engineering, or mathematics (STEM). Common subjects include physics, astronomy, engineering, biology, and mathematics. Many astronauts even have a master's degree or PhD. Studying hard at school, especially in math and science, is the first step toward this dream. Second, physical and mental health are essential. Astronauts must be in excellent physical condition because space travel put a lot of stress on the human body. They must pass strict medical exams, have good eyesight, a healthy heart, and strong muscle. Mental strength is also important because astronauts often work in the small space and face dangerous situations. They need to stay calm, focused, and confident. Third, gaining professional experience is necessary. Most astronauts have several years of experience working as pilots, engineers, scientists, or doctors. This experience helps them develop problem-solving skills, leadership, and teamwork. Some astronauts are military pilots with thousands of flights. Next, astronauts must go through intense training. After being selected, they train for many years. They learn how to operate spacecraft, practice space work, study survival skills, and train in water to simulate zero gravity. They also learn foreign languages, such as Russian, to communicate with international teams. Finally, determination and patience are key. The selection process is extremely competitive, and many people apply, but only a few are chosen. However, with passion, hard work, and perseverance, it is possible to achieve the dream of becoming an astronaut. Good luck!